In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your receipts in QuickBooks. Managing receipts efficiently is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records, and QuickBooks simplifies this process significantly. So let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and navigate to QuickBooks by going to qbo.intuit.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials to access the homepage. If you frequently use QuickBooks, consider bookmarking the login page for easier access next time. Now that we're on the home page, it's time to find the Transactions menu. You will spot it on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on Transactions will reveal a drop-down menu with different options related to your financial operations. QuickBooks interface is designed to be intuitive, and grouping related tasks under Transactions allows you to find what you need quickly and easily. From the drop-down, you'll want to select Receipts. The Receipts option is the gateway to all the crucial actions related to managing your cash flow documents within the QuickBooks environment. By clicking on it, you'll be taken to a screen where all your receipts are neatly organized. Once you're on the Receipts page, look at the top, where you should find the tab marked For Review. This is the section where QuickBooks stores all receipts that need your attention before they can be added to your financial records. You can sift through your receipts in the For Review tab and decide which ones need to be added to your books. This step is crucial because it ensures your records are up to date and accurate. Here's a handy tip. As you review your receipts, you can also categorize and match them to existing expenses within your account. Doing so provides a detailed and accurate view of your financial situation and eliminates the hassle of future discrepancies. It's also essential to check for any errors or duplicates. Mistakes in receipt management can lead to discrepancies in your financial data, so take your time to ensure each receipt is accounted for correctly. You can use the filtering and sorting features within QuickBooks to organize the receipts by date, vendor, or amount, helping you spot any anomalies or patterns with ease. By following these steps, you'll streamline your receipt management process within QuickBooks, making your bookkeeping tasks more efficient and less time-consuming. Regular maintenance of your receipts will not only keep your finances in order, but also make tax season a breeze. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides on managing your finances using QuickBooks. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy accounting.